Hello, we're going to have a quick look at our hydraulic hose register builder. So if you use a lot of hoses on your equipment, you will know that they're lived. They need to be changed every few years, typically 3 to 7 years, depending on your environment. So when you have a lot of hoses on machines, a lot of different equipment, it's really useful to have a register of all those hoses so that you know when they need to be changed. It's quite vital these days as part of your safety packages and your risk assessment packages. So we've made this little tool to make it easier. So you will have a standard of your hose. Various different countries. You can tell from the hose here if it's written on, or you may have a design standard that you need to stick to, and you will have a type of hose and its code. So you'll need to look at our website to understand those a little bit, or there's lots of information online, and you will have bores or different sizes. So essentially this information is written on your hoses in this format. You can tell by the lines here as well, give you a clue to the rating of the hose. And then you've got your fittings, which you will need to recognize, unfortunately. So what we've done here is provided images of lots of the different examples. So if you still can't identify it, then you'll need to do more measurements and checks against your data sheets and things. But hopefully this should provide you with enough information, a good guide to know what it actually is, and the different sizes and the different angles. So essentially we're just going through and putting on both sides very quickly what actually is there. Now if you've got two angled fittings, you will need to include an angle to say what one is relative to the other. And we've also got down the bottom of here our lengths in millimeters or inches. So we've got our lengths, and you can put a quantity in, and we actually add a reference number, adds automatically, because all we need to do now is to keep adding hoses, and you'll see here it creates a list of all those hoses with a different number on. So you're just building a list of numbers. Now we can then transfer these to Excel. So you've got a copy button here that works in the registered one, or we might want to send it if it's on mobile phone. The beauty of this little app is it works on your mobile phone, so you can take it around your factory and then email across, put your information in here and email it across. If it's just the free version, what we do is it sends a copy to us that you sign up to, send it to your local suppliers, who can then send you a quote. If you'd like a quote, you pay for it, then you can select to have a quote, and we'll send it to someone to send you some prices, which is always nice. But you can either copy it here or email it to yourself. The instructions for copying it into Excel are here. You did have the option for comma or tab delimited, so you can then actually just complete a whole register of all your hoses and comply with all your health and safety legislation. But it does make it safer if you know and you don't have any stray hoses that are left for many years and prone to failing. So that's just a simple program.